So, ayan, nandito kami. Ang baho ng laway ni Jared. Pa-smell mo yung mouth mo na bad. Yan! Huwag mong gaganyanin, mabaho yan. Punasan mo yung ano mo. Punasan mo yung ano mo. Yeah, smell bad. Get me alcohol, mag-alcohol ka. Ayan guys, kiget niya daw yung alcohol. Jared, here! Alcohol! Di sampabong niya yung alcohol. Napakul siya. Yung alcohol nga lang. Huwag mo nang kakainin yan. Mabaho yung hininga mo, Jared. Yung laway. Huwag mong pipindutin tapos mag-alcohol na po ako. Sabi mo. Maglalagay na po akong alcohol. Sabi mo. Lalagyan ko na alcohol. Okay? Huwag mo nang kakainin. Okay? Kasi ano yan. Yung lasa niya pangit.
What's that picture?
Para siya nga pabalik.
What's that?
Thank you, Sang. Mag-hi ka sa vlog, Sang.
What's that?
Hi, guys. It's vlog.
Jared,
Diba we find dino nung nasa Pangasinan ka, but there's no dino pa.
Ate May. Do you know the dino's not here? Is in a mommy is dino.
Yes.
Is
The baby
no
dino is
is
in the mommy and the daddy dino.
is far away in the there.
Yes. That's why.
Or a baby sheep
Yes.
in the Pangasinan.
Yes.
The mommy sheep is dead because the people eat it, the mommy sheep because
Yes.
it's dead.
Yes. Say bye to the vlog.
Why?